It was time to clear up the bathroom counters, so the solution is bathroom shelf ladders. This is so amazing. It looks beautiful, but before all that, let's go to the unboxing. This is the box that the ladder shelves comes in, and as you open it, this is how it is packed in there. It does have foam things to protect the sides of the shelf ladder stuff, and here is the instructions. It's seriously easy to follow. I love how they included the tools you need and all of the items that is included in here. You've got the screw cap here, the short screws right here, the rubber bumper for the feet, and the long screws with the Allen wrench, and of course the angle block. As you can see here, we've got two upper side panels and two lower side panels. Top shelf, upper middle shelf, lower middle shelf, bottom shelf. And this is how the shelves look like next to each other. It's getting bigger and bigger. Connecting bracket, got two of these for the side panels. And finally, the foot. Top shelf. Taking that angle block with the short screws. And there you go. And this is how it looks like. Next, we're taking the Allen wrench and the long screws. Holes on the bottom. We're taking that shelf with the upper side panels. Make sure the finished side is on facing you, because it's facing me. And here is the top part of the ladder shelf. Lower side panels. It says that the holes should be on the top now. Taking the lower middle shelf, putting it like this. Here is the bottom part of the ladder shelf. Next, we are taking the foot thingies and putting that on the bottom of these ones. Go like this and like this. Those foot things give an angle to this, so it's sitting like this and not like this. See this hole right here, and then the inside is kind of the same like that. And now we see the two holes aligning with this plastic thing. I did it wrong. So don't do what I did and do this and then the top like this. Now that we have everything perfectly, we're gonna finally put the short screws on. And also in the inside here too. Finally, we are taking these screw caps and covering all the screws so everything looks very flush and not weird stainless steel. And also, this is the rubber thingy for the feet, and make sure you put 3 on each side so it doesn't slippity slip. So here is the ladder shelf all finished. Ooh, that was so easy to do. By the way, I want to mention that initially I put this upside down. This thing was at the top, so make sure you don't do that. Alright, finally let's talk about how I decorated this. First of all, this cotton swab container is so cute. It is so compact and little. I love how it's clear so you can see how many left you got. Also, this handheld mirror that can be folded into a tabletop mirror. Isn't this just so cute? I love the matte black color of this. It makes it look so elegant. And then I have these two matte black little things. I think it's supposed to be for toothpaste and toothbrush, but I really wanted these for my husband's shaver and my shaver so that we can charge it just like this without mess everywhere. And then on this black dish, I just have his deodorant, his cologne, his lotion, and of course his night guard. Below that is more of his things. This is basically his ladder shelf. I have this soap tray that I just put his toothbrush on, electric toothbrush, and his toothpaste. Have you guys seen this toothpaste roller thing? It helps push all of the toothpaste to the top, and this is how it looks like. Isn't that so cool? Well, this is how it looks like, and I just have his lotion, and of course this greenery, because we need that, right? And I have that on the top as well. Finally, on the lower shelf, I have this storage basket, and I just store the toothbrush charger and the floss thingamabob and some other things. Finally, on the bottom, I have this extension cord. This is where these shavers are plugged into. This is an 8 plug, so whenever he needs to shave his head or do some hair cutting, he can plug it in and You definitely cannot forget nightlight. This is the best. It's red and you just need it for the darkness. Well, this is how it looks like. I just love this bathroom shelf ladder. It makes everything look so beautiful. Thank you for watching.